Ghost of Karsas Road in Karachi, Pakistan was documented during 70s. Many people reported ghostly women in a red dress haunting the car drivers. It is said that many people end up in car crash and died because of this paranormal encounter. The government took action using teaching of Quran by inserting the nails in the ground all around the Karsas Road to banish this entity, and ghost of a woman in a red dress was never seen again. Until the reconstruction. One of the nails was removed and ghost appeared again, this time caught on CCTV camera. One legend says that woman used to be a dancer back in the 60s. She was raped and left to bleed to death in this area. As a ghost, she appears bleeding and asking for help, and people did help her. She asked to be taken to her house, known as Lal Koti. She went in, saying that she can bring money, but never came out. People used to ring the bell, and her poor father had to explain that she died long time ago. Another legend has it that newly wedded husband fell asleep behind the wheel. He and his bride both died in this accident, and after that many people reported sightings of the ghost, woman in a red wedding dress who stops the vehicles and revealing her last moments before she died on the road. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.